There's plenty of information that a casting director or the folks that are going to hire you as a model, there's plenty of information they already have on you as far as the photos, what you look like, right? Your portfolio tells them what you look like and the styles that you can bring to a shoot or anything like this. They don't need that from a self tape. And I didn't quite understand this until this tape in particular. When they ask you to self tape and they say, "Hey, just tell us a little bit about yourself or tell us a fun journey you're going to take next summer," or something like this, it's because they need more information than just what you look like. What they're looking for is who you are as a person. Who are you? What are you like? What will it be like if we hire you based on your just essence of a being, of a human? How is this person? Are they kind of reserved, and are you very intellectual and very deep thinking? Are you just rambunctious and off the walls and bouncing? Are you somewhere in between? Can you flow in and out of these things? They're looking for that in the self tape. So the self tape hits a couple things. It shows who you are, and it proves to them that you still look the same or relatively close to the same as your portfolio is portraying. It's not like the images they have in your portfolio are 10 years old and now you've put on 72 pounds and lost half your hair or grown out half of your hair, whatever, right? So they can get all of that information from your portfolio in a selfie, right?